morning trainees and welcome to Malaysia Foundation College Incorporated. I am John Jerome Sanchez, your trainer for Computer System Servicing in C2. Before we proceed, I will check your attendance. Once your name is called, submit to your class card. Mr. Rodolfa, your class card please. Mr. Terence, your class card please. So as I see, everyone is here based on your class card and attendance sheet. So first, before we start, I would like to ask Mr. Rodolfa to lead the prayer. Stand up please. Okay, amen. Thank you very much, Mr. Rodolfa. Do you have any clarification or questions? If not, then let us stand up and I will turn you to the 9 learning areas. Stand up please. This is the practical work area, an area where you can acquire the skills and knowledge components of the competencies what's prescribed by the standard. And this is the learning resource area. An area provides you with the knowledge requirements in the various modules responding to the competencies. Next, this is the institutional assessment area, where your recognition of your prior learning is done by me. Next, contextual learning area, an area that will ensure your underpinning knowledge as applied to the technology. Next is quality control, where various tests conducted including in process quality control. And training resource area, an area houses the learning materials, the training regulations, and curriculum seminars. Next is the distance learning area. It is an area that enables you the learning provision outside and away from the training in the term of printed and non-printed materials. And last is computer laboratory. An area will provide you an array of computer units to learn and gain appropriate IT competencies. So let us look at first. So before we will start our session, I will administer a trainee's characteristic for me to determine if your educational background, your previous learning experience, cultural background, training level completed, and also your learning style. I will give you 30 minutes to fill out this form. Please get one and pass. Right, time is up. Submit to you your paper. Now, I have here the self-assessment checklist. Please read and check. The purpose of your self-assessment checklist is to determine your current competencies and training gaps. I will give you also 30 minutes to fill out this form. Please get one of us. Alright, time's up. Pass to me your paper. And lastly, let us have a pre-test. Please be reminded that it is multiple choice with 30 items. Circle the correct answer. The purpose of this test is for me to determine if you have the prior learning and computer system servicing in C2. So I will give you 30 minutes also to fill out this form. Please get one of us. Alright, time is up. Pass me your paper. So, based on your self-assessment, Mr. Terence shows that you have a prior learning on UC1. Kindly proceed to institutional assessment area for validation of your prior learning. Please prepare your supporting documents for validation. And to you, Mr. Rodolfa, based on your pre-assessment, you don't have any prior learning in this qualification. Then you proceed to the learning resource area. This is the CPLM of Computer System Servicing in C2. Read the information sheet in UC1. Then after reading, accomplish this self-check, and compare your answer to the answer key. After that, you will proceed to a particular work area to interpret the task job sheet in UC1. If you're ready, please call my attention for you to be supervised. So, Mr. Terence, do you have any supporting documents to support your file learning? Okay. For further validation of your file learning, kindly answer this test. It is a multiple choice test with 30 items. And you must get at least 60% out or 80% out from the 30 items. I will give you 20 minutes to finish this test. Okay, here is your test kit. Alright, time is up. Submit to me. Based on your test, you got 28 over 30. You almost perfect the test. This shows that you have the prior learning in UC1, which is supported in your certificate of employment. You may now proceed to the next UC, which is the UC2. Please proceed to the learning resource area. Mr. Rodolfo, are you done reading the information sheet? Okay, let's proceed to the practical work. So, Mr. Rodolfo, here is the task job operation sheet. Kindly perform the task. After that, I will evaluate you based on the performance criteria checklist. Right? So, pass. Since you have performed satisfactorily the demonstration and covered all the critical points and performance criteria, well done, Mr. Rodolfo. I will now record your performance on the achievement chart. So, Mr. Rodolfo, since you already performed the task for this unit of competencies, you are now qualified to undergo the institutional competency assessment. Just inform me anytime if you are ready to undergo the institutional assessment. Are you ready to take the institutional assessment? Okay. Since you voluntarily submit yourself for institutional assessment, our institutional competency assessment composes of 3 methods. First, written test. Second is the demonstration for 30 minutes. And third is the oral written interview. After answering your written test, submit to me, and you can proceed to the practical work area. Do you have any questions or clarifications? Okay, if none, you may now start your written test. That is the specific instruction. Please read and interpret the task. If you are ready, you may start. Okay, now we can go back to the institutional assessment area. In your written exam, you got 27 over 30. In your demonstration, you perform the task given except the task that you lack of time. You also pass the oral interview. So since you passed the satisfactory completed all the unit of competencies of the computer system servicing, you are now qualified, or since you have passed and you satisfactorily completed all the units of competencies and computer system servicing HC2, you are now qualified to take the National Competency Assessment for the examination in HC2. Congratulations! I will now record your performance and progress time. So, kindly go to the nearest TESDA for your national assessment. Please bring the 2 pieces passport size with white background and amount as your assessment. Any question or clarification, Mr. Rodolfo? So, before you go, kindly accomplish this session evaluation form so that I can able to to be able to know if I have something to improve. Okay, you may now go now, Mr. Mr. Terence, are you done reading the information sheet? How about answering the self-check? Are you done? If yes, you may proceed to the practical work area. But it seems that it's already 5 p.m. So for now, you may now go home and come back tomorrow exactly 8 a.m. Any questions?